Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making Gondhoraj green chutney. It is quite aromatic and vibrant green. Gondhoraj lemon is a king of lemons and it is usually found in eastern part of India, and it is used in Bengal and Assam for its exotic taste and flavor. For this we'll need Gondhoraj lemon and its leaf. First we'll take out the zest of the Gondhoraj lemon. Gently grate the green part of the Gondhoraj lemon. Have patience and avoid the white part. We will use the juice of one whole Gondhoraj lemon and its zest, and also the leaves of Gondhoraj lemon. This will give the vibrant green color along with its aroma. Slit the Gondhoraj into 4 parts and discard the seeds. Gondhoraj lemon is similar to kaffir lime, but it is more aromatic and has a subtle taste. It is used in various dishes and it makes the dishes quite distinctive in flavor. Today I will be making a green chutney using this Gondhoraj lemon. The flavor of the chutney has enhanced due to this ingredient and it has just taken to the next level. You can also see in my earlier videos where I have used Gondhoraj lemon to make Gondhoraj soya momo and Gondhoraj chicken momo. Do check out these videos to know more about how it can be used. While talking to you, we have already slitted and taken out the seeds of the Gondhoraj lemon. Now we'll come to the leaves. We'll take the leaves, we will fold it into half and we will take out the thick vein of the leaves and we'll cut it into small pieces. You can also break the leaves with your hands. The aroma of these leaves are so aromatic and refreshing. So now we are ready with the Gondhoraj lemon leaves, Gondhoraj lemon and Gondhoraj zest. So let's begin. In a grinder jar we will take garlic and green chilies. We'll cut them into small pieces. Now we will add the ginger and cut it into small pieces. Now first we'll put the lemon leaves, coriander leaves, mint leaves and curry leaves. All these 3 kinds of leaves are added along with the Gondhoraj lemon leaves. This will give a good aroma and taste and flavor. We'll also add the zest of the Gondhoraj lemon and also the juice of the lemon. Do also check out my video on Gondhoraj tomato jam. The zest and juice of the lemon elevates the level of the dishes. Add salt, a little water and grind it into a fine paste. Wow, what a beautiful vibrant green color. I'm just loving it. The room is filled with its aroma. You can see how fine the paste is. We'll add a little water and take out the remaining chutney from the jar. You can adjust the seasoning if required. You just need to add a bit of salt, but I think it is sufficient and will taste delicious. So our vibrant green Gondhoraj green chutney is ready. It just tastes amazing. Definitely try this recipe and write in my comments how you liked it.